Hello and welcome. I am here at the Winrock Center. I meant to come by here when I did the President's Day video while I was up in this area. I just totally forgot. I wanted to do another update on how this place is coming along. Looks like it's progressed a little bit from my last update, but I'm just doing a quick excursion. Had to get back to work after a couple days off. And so I just wanted to do a quick update and check what it looks like. It should be about done. I thought they were going to put some water in here, someone told me a couple months ago. But let's look at it, at least through the fence. Well, we'll start at this end, the east end. Looks like the landscaping is going in, at least. That's a lot different. Now, last time I was here, the bridge was there and that building was started. It looks like they have some pathways. Pretty cool. Got some lamps in there. Oh, nice, noisy construction. It's like a nice little sculpture there. It is so warm and so beautiful today. Just had to do my midweek excursion. Man, it's just beautiful. Just a bunch of fluffy clouds. Now, I'm still not sure what that building is over there. But I guess we'll find out one of these days, maybe. But we've got a playground in there. We got that in there to attract the young people. Got some grass in over here and some trees. Nice little stage or something right there, I guess. Oh, that's nice noise. Woo, that's terrible. It's probably the most terrible noise there is. I think he's putting bolts in. I believe this whole little road here was blocked off last time I did an update on this place. So I wasn't able to look at this end. I'm still perplexed why we have two Dillards right next to each other. That's a Dillard's, and that's a Dillard's. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I found a gap in the fence. Well, I'm going in. See if I can get in trouble. Oh. Robert the Riveter's here today. Got some solar LED lights. It's like they're working on the lights. Look at this. This looks so nice. There's some water flowing down through there. Little fishing hole. Well, pretty nice landscaping. It's going to be a nice little place to walk through. And we're supposed to have a larger shopping center, parking and everything. But that's a whole other phase. Oh, I would have never seen this if I didn't come in here. Uh-oh, here comes the cops. Shoot. I knew I was going to get in trouble. Yeah. How you doing?
How you doing?
Pretty good, you?
What company are you with?
I'm not. I'm just taking pictures of the new place.
You have to ask for permission first
Oh,
from
shoot.
the management.
I saw the gap in the fence and I thought, well, maybe
Yeah,
you can
'cause
walk
it's still
through.
under construction.
Okay.
Yeah, because if you get hurt.
Well, shoot, I almost made it to the bridge in there, but I knew I was going to get kicked out of there. That's what I get, though. Oh, well. It's more exciting.
I believe what they said is a food park.
Oh, really? Like a
Like a food venue on the
Like
bottom
a
level and then
food court?
Yeah. So, the bottom level, and then they've got the hotel.
Oh, yeah, hotel.
And we got other units, so.
But what's weird is this brings back memories when I was a kid. And when we used to be a real mall,
Yeah.
indoor mall, I used to love to come here and walk through. And
Oh, I know.
it's still, you can still kind of see it, but it's hard. It's changed so much.
Somebody that doesn't know how it used to be, because
Oh, that hurts your ears. That security guard was the nicest guy. He said he's worked here for 30 years. He's worked here since '93. And he kind of misses the old mall himself, but things got to change. Things got to roll on to the future. Oops. It's so faded, I can't read it. Well, that was a fun little excursion. Just an excuse to get out, get some fresh air. Oh, so nice. And that was a cool little update. Finally saw some progress. And got kicked out. Then I make friends with the security guard. That's usually the case. My charming personality gets me out of. No, just kidding. I'm just lucky. But that's going to do it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for coming along. This is the old Garduño's back here. I used to love to come here with the Mexican food and the mariachis. It was fun. But maybe someone will reopen it. Well, I got to head back, kind of in a hurry. Got to get back to work. Take care of yourself and those around you. Bye for now.